Alright everybody, let's see what we can do here with this grill. We got this Master Forge 5-burner grill, and it doesn't seem to work anymore. I cleaned up the top, was scraping it a little bit. What I realized is a lot of these burners are already rusted all the way through, and some of the drip plates got a lot of damage on them too. So, but I don't think anything else is wrong with it. There's a lot of here that needs to be cleaned up, scraped out. That's what we're gonna do, clean it up real good. I did order new burners and drip plates for this grill, for this Master Forge 5 burner. It was about, I think, $22 on Amazon, and let's get this all scraped up and cleaned up on the inside. Open up the holes for the gas and see if we can get this thing running again. All right, like I said, I had scraped these down pretty good on the top. As you can see, they're pretty nasty underneath, so we're gonna take these down, scrape these up too, and let them soak in some hot soapy water. But let's get these out of here now. And like I said, I got new ones of these drip plates. You can see these are just pretty bad shape, pretty brittle. We're going to toss these out right now. And check out these burners. That's what I'm talking about. That's why this is not working properly. Let's get rid of these things. I'm going to keep these ends because I don't know if the new ones require any of this. So let's just put these off to the side as we take them out. But wow, look at the rust on here. A lot of this rust gets in here too, into these burners. So we'll have to check the quality of these igniters as well. There's a lot of crap in here, I could hear it. So rust starts to get in there and block it. And then look at this drain water here. Wow, that needs to be drained out. I already connected this to the gas, and I could hear it, but none of these were working, and none of the burners would light up. One of them was on and off. It was kind of hard to see, so I didn't even bother. But obviously, you know, we got a little bit of cleanup to do here. This too, I'm gonna soak this sucker too. This has seen better days. Check out that nasty rust grease water. Wow. This tray is also really bad. This probably need another tray because, you know what? Let's see if we can scrape this and put a coat of rubber paint on here and save this, because I don't think there's big holes, but it's probably leaking, as you can see. We could fix that. We could certainly fix that. There's all kinds of crap in here now. Good tray. Oil. Some like junk pieces. I'm not dealing with that. This shit's all rusty. I could use this though. Not for eating, but I can use this put under here, and I can catch everything coming in out of here. Head down. Hey, nice smoke for your smoker. Pretty good. Just got to scrape the rust off of this. This is a nice one. We could fix this. Totally make it look nice again. We could fix this handle too. It's not closing right, but that just needs to be adjusted, maybe oiled. We can fix that too. So get rid of this. These are the tools. Well, I don't know how well you guys are going to see this, but a couple little pieces here. Self-tapping screws. That hole that was there. I don't know what I can do with that, but looks about right. See how this goes. That to cover up the hole there. This seems to be holding it pretty snug. And I just need to hold it for a little while longer.